Hey bunnies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super psyched to have you here. Sorry the face is like coming off. Unfortunately, I didn't expect to be doing a video, but I'll be taking off in a few days for my cruise. And then when I come back, hopefully I can give you guys the tour and do everything because everything's so busy right now. But I do have a lot of stuff that I'm super excited to show you. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I want to start off with the most expensive item that is going to be this. The cashier happened to rip the tag off when she was scanning, but I really like the product so much I didn't really care. So this product was $4.99, $5, and it is a frozen backpack. It is a regular sized backpack, kid's backpack. I really like it. It's got plastic on the front. It's got two zippers, and the bigger one has like a divider inside of it. It's got two side pouches to put your water bottle, or when I had these two, I put my keys inside one. Um, and the zippers are little Mickey heads, and it's got really nice padding on the back. I thought this was great. If my sister doesn't steal it, then I will be taking it with me to as my backpack when we go to either Disneyland or the Disney cruise next year. So something super exciting to look forward to. Another thing is, I thought I picked up the Olaf, but it looks like I didn't. I'll have to go back and pick them up. But I did pick up these two to go with the backpack. They are keychains of Anna and Elsa. They, like I said, they do have an Olaf, and I'm going to go back and grab it because apparently I forgot it. The next couple of items are going to be Finding Dory related. If you guys don't know, I do have a Finding Nemo / Finding Dory collection. My sister is absolutely obsessed, so that's why I grabbed two of these. With these, they are the glitter and jewel storybook. So it comes with a wooden doll, which is this thing right here, and then it comes with a glitter pen, and then on this side, these are sticky jewels, press on jewels. So I guess you can put some jewels on your little storybook doll thing. Not really sure, but I grabbed two so that if she steals one, I can replace it. And if you guys don't know, my sister's also in the Navy, so I picked her up a dog tag. Finding Nemo dog tag. I thought it would be really cute and really funny. The next item I picked up was this Cars Imagine ink set. So what happens is you use this marker, and this marker can only write on this particular paper, so it doesn't make a mess anywhere. And for those of you who don't know, I live now in Kingman, which is on Route 66, which Lightning McQueen in the movie Cars made famous again because he got stuck in Route 66. So really like that. I'm starting my Cars collection. I think is absolutely adorable. The next items I found are these classic Disney children's books. I was super excited because they're kind of not as popular as, I would like them to be. So the first one is Peter Pan. I don't have absolutely any Peter Pan merch, so I was super stoked to find this. Then the next one was The Lion King. Again, super stoked, especially with the live action coming out here really soon. I was like, I need some Lion King merch. And the last one was 101 Dalmatians, but the cartoon. And I absolutely love 101 Dalmatians, the cartoon. So again, was super stoked. I don't remember seeing very much merch back in the day of 101 Dalmatians, if any. So to have the little book, I was super proud. And if you guys don't know, there's like a Disney book club that basically kind of does the same thing. So I was thinking for my sister's little girl, maybe doing something similar, a little Disney book club box for her, like I did with Izzy for Christmas. The next items are something similar that I've bought before. I bought the hand sanitizers with the Tsum Tsums on them, and I was able this time to find ones with princesses on them. So I'm pretty sure it's the same hand sanitizer, which means it's not really good hand sanitizer, but I really do like these for the keychain effect regardless. So I have Cinderella, if I can get the thing off, Cinderella and Ariel. And on this side, I got Belle and Rapunzel. So I think these are absolutely adorable, and I like them. Also going with the Disney princess themes, I found these puffy stickers. They are super, super shiny. I know it doesn't do any justice, but they are totally shiny and really big. They're about 3 fingers each sticker, so really big stickers, and you get 18. So had to grab this, and then I found a 150 pack of stickers, and this one comes with the puffy stickers with the glitter stickers. You can't really see the glitter on these ones, but oh, there you go, on Rapunzel's dress a little bit. You got the foil stickers, and then on this last one is the glossy stickers, and you're gonna see there's one missing. I went ahead and put that on my Cirk bottle. It says make your own magic, and I certainly do with Cirkul. I will go ahead and link in the description box a code for you guys so you guys can use to get a great discount on a starter set. I go everywhere with Cirkul. This video is not sponsored, but I am a huge fan of Cirkul bottle, and I have probably bought about 3 refills at this point, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I literally take my Cirkul bottle everywhere with me. I bring it when I work out. I bring it, you know, when I'm just chilling. It's in my office. I love them. I don't know. I've bought one for my best friend, for my mom. My father's getting one, and my sister's getting one right now. So yeah, we're just going to be a Cirkul family. They're really, really great. So again, check out that code if you're interested. I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen on Instagram and Facebook. They're really, really popular right now. And the last couple of items are going to be Star Wars related, my fave. So I don't know if I've got this particular book before. If I do, then I get doubles, but I think I got one similar to it. And this one is a sticker scene plus coloring and activity book. So you got your stickers here, you got your coloring here, you got some activities, and then right in the middle is you got your scenes to, I guess, put your stickers. So I really like those. I'm a huge fan. As you guys know, I have a Star Wars collection. I am super stoked about it. And the last items are these. And there was only one of the stormtroopers, so I was super psyched to go ahead and grab this right at the counter. I mean, beyond psyched. These are all the other items except the backpack are $1. So these were only $1 each. There was a ton of these guys. Unfortunately, I don't think that a lot of people know the prequels or the sequels to the Star Wars series. They just remember the originals. So I think that's why this guy sold out. They are ceramic. So, I mean, these are worth way more than $1. You can't go wrong. But I bought these. I'm super psyched that I was able to get them. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has other figurines, other figurine heads besides these two, because I would really like to know, and I might have to run to another Dollar Tree in another area. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching, and remember that you can always get Disney at a discount.